Come on, yaar. What is happening with this? Acha, now is this okay? Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Neil, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Neil. Okay, Neil. Nice. Very good. Let's do one thing. Did you understand this one? CD dot dot means navigating to parent directory, parent folder. Okay. Hmm. Next command is, so this is not actually now now I will tell you some 4 or 5 commands which are not relevant to Java. I'm just saying because they are small hacks that you can use it whenever you want it. Something like if you want to create a folder, okay, I'll take some directory E. So if you want to create a directory inside this one, simply cd space sorry md means make directory. Okay, I simply created 3 folders here, right? Let me do one thing. If I want to hide all those 3 folders, I simply do this. Attrib space plus h. Plus h means hide attribute. Okay, plus h means hide attribute. Chandra will be hidden. If we want to unhide, see. There Harsha is visible now. Okay, this is hiding and unhiding. There are 2 commands. Next one. Yes, okay. So if you want to shut down the system just by using command, how do you shut down the system? Generally, you will go to the Windows and you will click take this one, and there is a shutdown and restart, and also sleep and log sign out buttons. Okay. So if you want to do the same thing using this command prompt, you have a command like shut down space minus yes. Minus s means shut down. Okay. So there is spelling mistake there. Shut down space minus s means See, you will get a sign. You are about to sign it out in less than a minute. So it will give you some 59 seconds to close all your applications. So automatically the system will be shut down after the execution of this command. So if you want to abort the schedule, there is 59 minutes. If you want to abort the operation, you can just go for shutdown -A. So automatically the shutdown schedule will be cancelled. Abort shutdown space -A means abort the schedule. Next, shutdown space -R means it's a restart command. It's a restart command. Okay. And if you want to sign out from this account, you have multiple accounts in your system. If you want to sign out from this one, shutdown space -L. L means log out. I don't want to press enter for this one. Okay, let me abort the schedule. Actually, it will restart. Okay. Okay, I have aborted all the operations. No problem. This is the shutdowning and hidden commands. Okay, this is actually out of syllabus. Just I'm saying because these are the few hacks and tricks. And if you have any confidential information or personal information, you can store in a folder, and you can hide that folder. That's okay. Simply by using this command. Now, what I'm going to do is, we have two important commands that is completely related to Java. Completely related to Java. The first one is javac space filename.java. File name means some sample or something like we will come across with this file name. The capital here. javac space filename.java. Use it to compile Java. Compile Java. Java space class name. This is command used to execute Java. These are two commands. Very important experiment. The last two commands are very important. We, most of the time we go with the same execution. We make use of those two last commands. Okay. So if you want to exit this console user interface, simply exit. Okay. Control Shift. On here. Yes. So if you want to open that CUI, just go to Windows, type CMD. You get the command from black color screen. Okay. CMD is command prompt. Command prompt. Prompt PROMPT. Spelling. Command prompt. If you want to exit this one, simply give the exit command. And one more thing, if you want to open any file, using this command, simply let's go to one folder. Let's go to D. Okay, let's go to D drive. Simply v2.jpg. Just click, give the name along with. Just give the first letter of the name and press the tab button. Okay, and click on enter. Next, Java full stack by lokesh.png. Simply press enter. Okay, that file will be open. That is it.